Gentlemen and ladies, welcome back to the shop today. Today I've got a little special treat. This here, my friend, is what? A mega... No. It is a huge, gigantic transformer. I'm telling you, this thing weighs a lot. And on here, it got a little bit scratched, but... It's 120 volt, 60 hertz, class 220. I wish it wasn't just quite so scratched up here. It would tell us a little bit what the output would have been. I can do some reading here on an ohm reader. This is a cheap old Harbor Freight meter here. We can get some reading here. I'm going to set the phone up here and see what we can get out of this. Might be a little bit upside down here. Let's see, we went from here to... We got a little bit of connectivity there between those two, and so that don't matter. What about... This would be your supply coming in, I believe. Yep. A bit of own connectivity. If we were to put these two together, you get your ringer. This is how you can check your lead and see, well, this is a Harbor Freight one, it's pretty cheap, it's only going to show me 0.0, but should gain like 0.01, say if you had a fluke meter. Anyway, you can also check from wire to wire by going like this, and then you would take it and check there. That's another way. You can do the same thing for this lead. So, flip it this way a little bit. So we can check if we got the low and high. So they have a coating over this, so you can't touch the metal because there's just small coating. I know we went from here to here and we had something. That's from going in from here to there, but what about from here? Oh. Here. Nothing. Oh, there we go. A lot. Anyway, this I think worked, but I just took it out of the microwave to kind of show you guys a little bit about a gigantic transformer. You could cut that there. This is how you wrap your winding, and this all around it causes that electromagnetic field. Okay, well that's everything for this and that. Thanks for watching. Keep your dick in a vice.